gonna come up, Morris, or you need food down there? You coming? Good boy. Come on. You just got 2 steps. There you go. Hi, bud. Marty, you coming? Come on, Mart. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Come on, Mart. Come on, Marty. Come on, Mart. Come on, Mart. Let's go. Come on, he's coming. Come on, Mart. Let's go, Marty. Marty. Marty hungry? Marty. Hi. Go on up. Come on. There you go. Stripe was right here. Stripey, where'd you go? He's hunting something in there, which is not good because he's going to mess up my ferns. Come on, Stripe, let's go. Everything is looking good. We have a chance for severe weather after 4 p.m., level 2 risk. It all depends on if this early morning cloud thing keeps temperatures down and drops. If it drops more clouds and more rain, it lowers the risk. If it doesn't do much, then the risk could crank up. So, you know, a lot of our afternoon thunderstorm activity has to do with how much sun we get earlier in the day and the humidity level. The humidity's high. We'll see how much sun we get. It's kind of been in and out this morning. I'm doing my normal Tuesday thing, and I'll keep an eye on the sky. Here's Ruby. Still no V14 light, though. You guys know I really want to make that content for you and enjoy figuring it out for myself and all of that good stuff, but it's just not in the cards yet. Thank you, handsome.
Yeah, well,
there you are. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, help me not spill my coffee. Love you.
Love you too.
I got to get out here and blow the driveway again. It's sort of a disaster after several pieces of tree branch fell down. Bigger, I mean, not huge, but like 3 or 4 inches, and some of them were rotten and sort of shattered when they fell. And you know, we threw away the biggest pieces, but I need to walk the driveway and blow. I don't have time to investigate right now, but something very weird happened with Ruby. She was headed to work, and work, as you might remember, is guardian angel, but she was headed to St. Augustine's in downtown Raleigh, that work. So 1 or 2 things has happened. She downloaded an old profile from the cloud, or I have another active profile this morning besides the usual one, or I don't know what would have caused that. Anyway, I canceled it and put in the chiropractor's office in case I want to use FSD, and also to see my arrival, more importantly, to see my arrival time, which is currently 10:59 a.m. I did get yesterday's video edited, and a couple of other things I wanted to get done so I don't have to do it this afternoon. Yeah, people are always putting stuff out at the street over here. There was a couple of pieces of kids stuff available for free. Pick up on the side of the road. It sort of amazes me to a certain perspective that people, please don't pull out in front of me. I don't want to follow your equipment. Thank you. That people really don't know about Guardian Angel or where the local Goodwill is or whatever. All the time, they're not both on a leash. I guess the little dog stays with the big dog, but still. All the time in the Facebook groups, people are asking, where can I donate my stuff? And it's, you know, usually people chime in with their favorite 501(c) charity, nonprofit. I have chimed in quite a few times for Guardian Angel, or at least seconded or thirded Guardian Angel, obviously. We have our board of directors meeting for this quarter tomorrow evening. I've been asked to take notes because our secretary cannot make the meeting. So that should be fun. I mean, I'm sure I can handle it, and I'm sure I'll do the best I can. That guy was putting up a dog poop bag dispenser thing. Those, I have mixed feelings about those, because out on the trail, Dawn and I pick up a lot of those bags. Either the weather brings them out of the dispenser, or kids bring them out of the dispenser. I suppose it could be an adult, but you know what I'm saying. Somebody that just wants to do malicious things just pulls them out and leaves them on the ground. So Dawn and I actually do a lot of picking them up, and this is definitely not so good. There are a lot of people that use them and then leave them on the side of the trail and don't get them to a trash can. Can you believe it? Like, why would you bother to use the bag in the first place if you weren't going to get it where it was going? And these are not people that just set it there until they came back by either. So I don't know. It seems like a good idea, but unintended consequences. Yeah. So I'm still waiting on, like I said, V14 light for Ruby. We've not gotten a summer update in any of the cars yet. Which that hasn't actually been out that long. That's sort of par for the course. And then no X money yet on X for me. I'm still waiting. Dawn is good to go, and that's good, really is good enough, but I would like to get set up on it too. So if they would just get it out there, that would be nice. There's a standard Model Y. I don't think I've seen that one over here before. Can't swear for sure, though. I made good time, but it's still going on 11. I caught a break at several stoplights along the way. Traffic on 55 was maybe not as crowded as usual. There's a few less cars in the parking lot today. Not tons, but hey, I just don't know quite what to make of that car. Kyle had some words about the standard. I guess if it really helps people get in a cleaner, safer car, a Tesla, then that's good. If I could afford the premium version, I would get it. I was going to go to Goodwill, and then I was on autopilot, not the car, but me. And I didn't pull in over there. It's okay. I don't know exactly what I would be hoping to find over here that they would put on clearance, but I sure do enjoy looking at the clearance every week. So I'm back. I can't believe all of these didn't sell. These are, like that one right there is 11. Which I think is a good deal, even if most of it will die at the end of the year. These are 12, although I'm going to go. One of these 9 packs of Coleus is really tempting. It would be 7. Although the ones, this is like, yeah, I could just do without that variety. But look at that, how pretty it is. And you could plant it all in one big pot and just have a mix, and it would be really pretty. I did get the begonia and some coleus and one more mini flag because they were down to $1.92. Ruby's down there on the end. Here's an EV6. That's got to be a Hertz car because it's got a Connecticut plate on it. Hope I see something cool today. The Capris I bought for $1.50 last week were awesome. So maybe today I will get something cool too. I haven't sold a lot of those figurines, unless there was a whole nother box and they've just been filling it up after it sells. I haven't found a lot yet. Well, that is really cute. I found a pink merino from Italy glass bracelet bead that somebody had put on a sterling silver chain, and the beads on sterling, the glass is mounted on sterling too. So I bought that for $6. I got Johnny a pair of winter pajama bottoms, and I got a little witch Halloween goodie bag for Michelle. It was 10 cents. I didn't buy much today. You know, little tiny bag. Tiny. They had a Kia EV6 charging over there. That's the only electric car I saw around back today. I didn't study it too hard though. The area, that is. Carmen Gia is over here today. It's sprinkling just a little bit, nothing to really matter. I guess what they said was going to happen is happening, and it'll probably reduce our severe risk for later, so that's good. I saw the biggest Escalade ever in black over there come through the parking lot a minute ago. There's a couple of Model Ys. I can't tell if the Escalade would happen to be electric or not. There's a Mach-E, and there's the Pineapple Soul Cybertruck. The Quicksilver looks totally different when it has black wheels than when it has silver wheels. Oh, I left climate on. It feels great inside of Ruby. The humidity is so bad today. It was the usual Whole Foods experience in there today. More workers and carts and pickers and big cart buggy things in the store than shoppers. I really wish Whole Foods would have one store for pickup and another store for people that want to go in and buy the groceries. I wish they would explore that model. I would be a happier shopper at their store if they would do that. And, you know, a little bit of a thing at the checkout today, because none of my approved people were checking people out. But, yeah, it's okay. It's a new person, and they're learning and hopefully dealing with me, working with me, listening to my feedback. Hopefully that will help them going forward. I'm going to work on the corner garage here for a bit. I don't expect to finish it tonight. I'm sure it's at least a 2-night job. I made really good progress. I'm stopping for the night. I'm on step 462. The next thing is to build a little wall here for the stairwell. This is the private residence, so it has a locked door and, you know, privacy there at the stairwell. And I'll pick back up tomorrow. I think there's a bed going in somewhere here, and then, you know, a very similar window area to the one that I did yesterday.